This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have what matters: TV mode, the Bedrock version, and extra controllers. First, dock the Switch and launch Minecraft. Make sure multiplayer is turned on in world settings and that multiplayer game is allowed. Once done, keep the world open and standing on ground so joining players spawn safely. Connect each controller and verify it appears on the controller screen. This initial setup prevents connection hiccups and gets everyone ready to join without wasting time. With the world running, tell the second player to press the controller's plus or a button to join. The game will prompt profile selection. Pick a profile or use play as guest for a quick join. You can add up to 4 players this way. Once players appear, go to Settings Video to tweak HUD scale and field of view so each split pane is comfortable. These adjustments let you see more or less of the world and balance performance versus visibility. Now finalize control layouts. Have each player test movement, inventory, and chat so there are no surprises. Save the world and decide whether online multiplayer is disabled if you want local play only. If someone can't join or the screen stays blank, the key fix is TV mode. Split screen won't work in handheld. Make sure each controller is paired, restart Minecraft after reconnecting controllers, and update the game if problems persist. This usually resolves join and display errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.